Looking for the best rotary hammers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 rotary hammers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Makita, cordless 1-inch rotary hammer. Large 2-finger trigger makes it comfortable to use. Delivers up to twice the drilling speed as compared to other 18 volts cordless rotary hammers. Electronically controlled brushless motor optimizes battery performance. Compact, ergonomically designed, and lightweight, this rotary hammer promises better battery life, cool operation, and greater versatility in applications. Replacement batteries are expensive, requires a set of 2. At number 2. DeWALT, SDS rotary hammer with shocks. Delivers fast drilling and chipping speed. Active vibration control reduces vibration in handles. Powerful performance. Integral clutch reduces sudden, high torque reactions. Package includes a depth rod, 360 side handle, and a kit box. This highly recommended rotary hammer is a good buy at this price. Best for small commercial projects. Drilling mode might change unexpectedly during operation. At number 1. Bosch Spline rotary hammer. Best in class power to weight ratio. Soft start prevents the bit from jumping out of position. Vibration control feature prevents vibrations. Auto max dial speed control allows maximizing speed. Very quiet for a rotary hammer. Drills through concrete like butter. Effective, easy, and comfortable to operate. An excellent tool that delivers powerful performance. Corded, thus not easy to move around. No reversing feature. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.